Mastering phrasal verbs. Understanding their multiple meanings. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs. But we're not just looking at any ordinary phrasal verbs. We're exploring those tricky ones that have multiple meanings. Buckle up for a fun and informative journey. Phrasal verbs are unique to English. They're verbs combined with prepositions or adverbs, and together, they take on a totally different meaning than the individual words. For instance, turn on, or give up, are phrasal verbs. But some phrasal verbs don't just stop at one meaning. They're loaded with two or more meanings. And that's our focus today. Let's consider the phrasal verb, take off. It can mean removing clothing, such as, I take off my shoes. But if you're talking about an airplane, take off means to start flying, as in, the plane takes off at 5 p.m. Another one is, break down. It can mean to stop working, like, my car broke down on the highway. Or it can mean to start crying. She broke down when she heard the news. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. I'll give you a sentence with a phrasal verb, and your job is to guess the meaning. 1. He finally broke down and bought a new car. 2. She looked up her old teacher. 3. The meeting went on for 2 hours. The answers are 1. Broke down. Here means to finally give in. 2. Looked up means she searched for information about her old teacher. 3. Went on means the meeting continued. That's it for our quick tour of phrasal verbs with multiple meanings. We hope this video has been enlightening and fun. Remember, English is a journey, not a destination, so keep practicing and you'll master these in no time. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying English. Note: this document uses bold to highlight key terms, phrases, and answers to the quiz.